Yep, big ass fire truck. Oh, probably filling the tank.
Ah.
Yeah. It's kind of funny
Interesting.
though. Yeah,
And the guy's gonna try again.
there we go.
There. There we go. Damn.